have created total. I am currently logged in total three accounts. First is admin, then second one is customer, and then third one is his supplier. Okay, I already created these accounts and logged into them. And now what I will be doing is I will be assigning questions to the supplier. Okay, and here are all the questions, all the categories or questionnaires, whatever you want to say. These are all the questionnaires, and currently I will assign these three to the suppliers to give you a better understanding. Now I am in customer, and he has only one supplier. I only invited one for testing purposes, and now I am going to assign. Okay, supplier 2. I will select only files, and I will give any date. It should be later than today, and passing marks. And then I will again select 2, and then I will select without files, and again any date later than today. So I have assigned him all three questions, and now I will go to the attempt part, and these are all the questions here. In the result section, currently it will be show no results. This is for supplier, this is for customer. It will not show any results as there is no entry currently. And finally, this is for the admin panel. Okay, here you will see all the things. Since I already tested on supplier 1, which is another customer's supplier, so he's showing here. Now let's move to attempt part. I will attempt mix and without with files, only files. Okay, I select picture. Okay, I have marked it, and now it is going to show me, and it's showing the status pending. But if I come to the customer one, it will show here, and I can see what he answered. I gave two identical pictures, and for one I gave different, and since two were without any images, so it's showing them, it's giving the answer, it's the question, everything is perfect. And the same can be said for here. Okay, now it's showing another entry. Since it's in pending, so it's not showing its complete result. Now admin can review the question, and it will be supplier to. I already have. Okay, for one question, I will, since I am want to fail him, I will give him 0. 0. Since only three questions had images, meaning files, so for only those questions it's asking me to review. Once I submit this one's the third one, it will be complete results. Okay, it's gone from here, and it's also letting me know the supplier has failed. And I will check here. Okay, it's showing me 20 mark. He got 20 marks. These 20 marks came from the ones without files. They are being automatically checked compared with the answers when creating the question. So no need to do that, but only the questions which require review are going to be reviewed. Okay, again I can see his answers, whatever his answers were. Okay, these three images the same. Now let's move to the customer. This is the customer panel, and now additional button has shown to assign again. Before I assign, I do remember you pointed out that you are unable to attempt the question. Okay, I did this one, and if I try to attempt it again, it will show me you have already attempted this questionnaire. Since I have not been assigned again, I have not yet assigned him again question. So now I am going to that, and he will be able to attempt it again. I just need to change the date. Okay, he has been assigned again now. I will go here and I will click on this, and let's see he's able to attempt it again. Now this time I will only use this picture to show you that images change matter, and it this time I will give him 100% marks. Yes. For all three questions which required a file image, I only gave him one picture to show you it's working. Now I will go to the result part, and it's showing me pending again because it is pending on review. Okay, now I will click on answers. Remember, I only used one picture for all three questions, so it's showing that. Now I will go and review. It's showing again. I can review it, but this time, if that supplier fails again in the same questionnaire or category, his account will be disabled. Now there are two choices. One choice is, I will just show you. One choice is written here. If he has to failed and his account is deactivated, you can delete his account and invite him again. That's one option. That's for the customer part. This is the one the customer can do. Okay. uh, then the other part is for the admin is able to edit that person. And sorry, okay, did not give that option even here, because that will create issues with the number of tries. And now I will just review it and let him pass this time. Then you cannot give him more than 10 score, and cannot give them less than 0. Okay, he has failed 2 times. So there must be one question wrong. Okay, I got 30 marks. In other words, the other two, which were without images, I failed those questions, and now his account is deactivated. It's showing even here. This time you cannot assign him again. It will not show button here to assign him again. Thanks. If you have any questions, do let me know. And also, I did add customers here. You can add it or delete. You can change role of the customer to admin and between these two. But you cannot change it to customer because customer belong supplier. Sorry, to supplier belongs to a particular customer, so it's not possible to change his role directly from here.